Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. This is the Bitcoin Daily Analysis for today, Friday, 13 of December of 2024. Well, yesterday we were talking about that since Bitcoin created this huge candle, the likelihood of continue going higher was higher. And basically that happened, Bitcoin goes up, swipe the liquidity from the high of the Wednesday and the high from the Friday 6th of December. And basically close a negative candle. And yesterday we talked about this zone, the mitigation block, and this order block. If we go down to the, for example, the 15 minutes, we will see that, let me zoom it. This was the mitigation block, this line, this red line, and basically Bitcoin, when it passed here, it respected one time, two times, three times, four times, then pass and go up again. And at the end of the day, go down and respect this order block basically. So the two zones that we define as a likelihood zones for the retracement were basically respected and Bitcoin close over. It's a negative candle, but at least it's over because it respect this, at least this zone. We talk about this zone that is the midpoint of this huge candle, sorry, of this huge candle, and the fair value gap that this zone basically that is overlapping here. The retracement to this zone this Thursday wasn't likely because it was too far down, but for today, Friday, seems a little more likely since Bitcoin just create this fair value gap here. Basically, this fair value gap that we had here was inverted, so it's a zone of resistance, and now this fair value gap that just created is one that Bitcoin hasn't touched. So here now we have three zones for a possible retracement. That is this first value gap is the midpoint of this huge candle, and we have this fair value gap that was inverted. So here we have basically we have three zones of confluence for a support of the price. So just in the case that Bitcoin want to retrace, I think this zone should be respected because we have three zones of confluence for support the price. So basically, it's super important that if Bitcoin want to retrace, touch this zone and bounce back very fast and don't close below this upper part of the fair value gap. If it close below here, bad sign, below the midpoint, bad sign, below here, super bad sign, and that should imply that we will go to here. But for now, I think the market are super bullish. This Friday, we have a very important news for the market. MicroStrategy, that is a enterprise in USA that is heavily Bitcoin treasury oriented. They will announce that will be included in the Nasdaq 100. So that is a good news for the market, for the crypto markets, because that enterprise is buying Bitcoin like crazy. So I think the likelihood of continue going higher and breaking the all-time high here, I think we have a very good chance that that does did today Friday. But in the case that Bitcoin want to retrace, this zone should be respected because we have 3 points of support for the price. If Bitcoin close the daily candle below here, that is a super bad news, guys. Super bad news because we have here this point. We have a lot of point here to go down. It's not a good. But I am not looking for that for now. I'm thinking just going to the upside with a retracement to here, but touch and go. Basically, super fast. Okay, guys, to the upside. What will be a bullish close for Bitcoin? Obviously, closing over the midpoint of this candle. We will calculate that. Of this candle from the Thursday, basically is I think this can we can leave it there. No, I will leave it this because it's still some of resistance that was respected here one time, two times, and three times. So basically we will leave it there, and we will use this as a new zone, 100,909.3. This is the midpoint of this candle from Thursday candle. So that will be a very a bullish close for Bitcoin if it managed to close over the midpoint of this Thursday candle. Better if it closes over the high, but we should take care here because we will have a resistance in the midpoint of this wick to the upside. That is 126.9 basically. That is almost overlapped with the midpoint of this huge candle that we have here basically. So we have two zones, this zone and this zone. So basically to the upside, guys, here is important point. Here are 2 points that are almost overlapped. The high from yesterday, Thursday, and then the all-time high that we leave it the Thursday 5 of December. So I'm more inclined to the upside, but I'm expecting that Bitcoin should retrace a little bit to this zone. The important thing is that touch this zone and go up, okay? And to the upside, these are the zone, guys, okay? This is the analysis. Hope you like it. If you want, you can subscribe, give us a like, and share with your friends. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.